Okay, good morning, welcome to
AwesomeMath64.
AwesomeMath64. We've got, you have a homework problem about factorials in base 7.
Yep.
And I just wanted to review that a little bit before you jumped into that homework problem. So find the possible last digit of n factorial in base 7 for n greater than 0. This should be interesting.
Well, the 1 factorial in base 7 is just 1 base 7.
Okay.
2 factorial base 7 is just 2.
Alright.
Now, 3 factorial base 7, it's 6. And then, but for 4 factorial, we can't use 24. We have to convert it to base 7.
Okay.
24, it's 33.
Okay. So does the number 24 in base 10 equal 33 in base 7?
It's 21 plus 3 is 24.
Okay.
So, and then the last digit of this is 3.
Okay, great.
5 factorial. That's 120. But it's going 202 because you use 249s, and that's 98 plus 2 is 100.
Okay.
And then and then we have to go 20 more than that.
Okay.
So it's plus 14, so this becomes it, and it's 2, and then you use 2 7s.
Okay.
And then 6 more, 6 more.
So it's 202 base 7, which is 100, plus 26, which is 20. So what does that tell us that 120 is in base?
It's 228.
228
And
base
then
7.
231.
231 base 7. So what is the last digit of 5 factorial in base 7?
1, and then we repeated it.
Have we? What about 6 factorial?
6 factorial is 7, it's 720. So we're just multiplying the one before it by 6.
So what's the last digit going to be in base 7?
6.
6.
6 factorial 7. 6 by 7.
Okay, so that's interesting. We did get a number that we had before, but that doesn't mean we're repeating. And we could have done the same thing here. We could have multiplied this 3 by 5 to get the last digit, and that would have been 15. And what is 15 in base 7?
That's 2, 4.
15 in base 7, 15 base 10 equals what in base 7?
Well, you use 2 7s.
Yeah.
And then it's 2, 1.
2, 1. And remember, we got the last digit was 1.
Yeah.
Okay. 6 factorial in base 7 seems to end in a 6. What about 7 factorial?
7 factorial, we have to multiply this 6 by 7 to get 42 base 10.
Yeah.
And we have to convert it. It's 6 0.
Aha. So what's the last digit of 7 factorial in base 7?
7 factorial base 7 0.
What about 8 factorial?
8 factorial, it would be 1. Because
Why?
8 8 in base 7 is 1, 1.
Okay.
So, and since the last digit is 0 here, if we multiply, then we just get a 0 again.
When we multiply, we get a 0. 8 times 0 is?
It's 8 and 0.
0. What about 9 factorial?
It's 0.
What about 10 factorial?
0.
11 factorial?
0.
12 factorial?
0.
13
0,
factorial?
0, 0, 0.
Okay. So we got 1, 2, 6, 3, 1, 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So there was a pattern eventually. What was the pattern?
You just, after 6 factorial, you just got infinite zeros at the
You
end.
just got zeros. But these ones in the beginning did not seem to form much of a pattern.
No.
The pattern came later.
Yeah.
All zeros. All right. That's why I wanted to go over that with you. Good job. Good job.